We want to remove this wheel. I've done this one already. I'm going to remove it. So I found the best way to remove this is bring out the saw and just give it a quick saw through around there. Done. After cutting, you just remove the ends. A little bits left. Just, push that out. Ready for the next one. Comes with two different sizes, the long one, the short one. Loads of washers. So select the right size for your bag, put that in. So pull the, cut the wheel, pull this off. That's ready for the next one. Just slot that in there. Put those two around it. Not to get in. Washer on each side. So it'll end up looking like that. 4 wheels replaced.